Hey guys, today I'll be showing you the new Amprobe 6010 wire tracer, which is the newest edition of the Amprobe 6000 wire tracing series. It's very simple, easy to use. It comes with a handheld unit, a transmitter, soft case with instruction manual, and all your leads and alligator clips you'll need to trace with. So we're going to trace the wire coming from this socket. To set up, you'll need a ground, which I have grounded to an adjacent outlet, and a hot lead with this special probe, socket probe that's included, just slides right on. I'm gonna put the hot lead into the hot side of that outlet, turn on our transmitter. As you can see by the power light and the signal light, we are producing a signal. The illuminated caution light means that we are live. Take this hot side out, light goes off, back in, we're pumping signal through that circuit. We're now gonna take our handheld device, power it up. This bar on the right, that's your sensitivity. So since we're just not going through anything special here, it's just standard drywall in my home. It doesn't need to be that high. Drop the sensitivity down just a little bit. On the left side of this, there's a volume button, there's an audible noise, and a LED visual alert. So without further ado, let's trace this wire. I'm gonna start at the source. We're gonna follow up the wall. Make sure you pay attention to that number, that's crucial. Move away, goes down. We're right on top of it now. And so on. The farther away you get from that transmitter, you might need to boost your signal. And as you can see, I'm right on top of it right here. And that is how you use the Amprobe 6010 to trace a circuit. Thank you.